Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. And that we are now in Williamsfield. And we're going to drive from Williamsfield onto the highway. So we're going to go onto the Melrose Hill bypass first and then the highway, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. And then we head towards Maypen. So this is Williamsfield, and we're heading up to the roundabout now. So we're going to turn left. We're going to take the first left on the roundabout. But if we continue straight across, we would go. They're both. The second exit on the roundabout takes you into Mandeville, and the third one also takes you into Mandeville, but it takes you in via the Mandeville bypass or the Winston Jones highway. So we are now we took the first left and we're now on the the Melrose Hill bypass. I'm not sure why they didn't just renovate this section of the road also, but this is how the road was before. No upgrades have been done to this section of the Melrose Hill bypass. Now you're going to see the difference of night and day in terms of road quality in a little bit. Now we're going on to the upgraded section of the bypass. And it's 2 lanes here, but it's going to expand, and here we go, 4 lanes. That's why I said I'm not sure why they didn't just. That's why I was saying they should have just fix the entire section of the bypass up to the roundabout and into Porous. But nonetheless, this is the upgraded section now. This is a part of Highway 2000. It's still the Melrose Hill bypass, but the highway incorporates this section of the bypass. That's why it was upgraded. But you never have to pay toll to use the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, when you look back at the road that was here before, this is a major improvement. This is what you call progress. These are the kind of roads that Jamaica needs. And the government has committed to building this highway, Highway 2000, all the way to Negril. It's going to go from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, Hodges in St. Elizabeth. Then from Hodges, it goes in 2 directions. Goes towards Negril, and then it's going to go towards Montego Bay. Roads like this, highway quality roads. They haven't started the construction of those legs yet, but the plans are in the works. But this is very nicely done, very impressive. So on the right, they're clearing that land because it's going to be a parking lot for now, and then they're going to expand the Yam Park over there. Now, on the left is a Yam Park, but right here, the section of the road we just passed, there is an underpass, so you can park on the other side of the road and use the underpass and go to the Yam Park. However, the vendors have indicated that a lot of people are not using the underpass. They're more accustomed to just driving up, not even coming out of the car, and the people come to them and sell them the yam. Now this road was upgraded by China Harbour Engineering Company. It's a 4-lane dual carriageway, very nicely done. Alright, so as that sign indicated, we are heading towards Porous and the highway. Or I should say the tolled section of the highway. Remember, the 5 kilometers in the Melrose Hill bypass is free. But from the Melrose Hill bypass to Maypen is 23 kilometers. And that is the toll road. That is officially the highway. Alright, then those signs on the left mean we're going to come up to an exit. There you can see the police hard at work. All right, so we're going to stay on the road. If we take the exit to the left, that takes us into Porous, but we're going to stay on the road, and the Melrose Hill bypass now goes into Highway 2000 east-west leg, and there you saw the sign T1 or toll road, and so we are now on the highway. And this highway takes you all the way back to Kingston. It's a toll road. This is Highway 2000 east-west leg. Now, I'm not sure if this section from the Melrose Hill bypass to Maypen will be called the PJ Patterson Highway, but from Maypen to Kingston, it is called the PJ Patterson Highway. So this is now the toll road, and you notice the toll road looks just like the Melrose Hill bypass. Very nice road, 4-lane dual carriageway. We have to say, job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company. Job well done by the government of Jamaica. Very nice road. And this is the kind of road we're going to have going all the way to St. Elizabeth, then from St. Elizabeth to Negril, and St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. They actually have plans to expand on Highway 2000 north-south leg that currently ends at Miami Bay. It goes from Kingston to Miami Bay. They're going to extend it from Miami Bay to Trelawney. So some major improvements coming for the Jamaican road network. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.